How's it going, everybody? This is JT at Rubber City Motoring. We have something kind of unique here. Not necessarily a car product, but a garage product. My garage has always been a work in progress. If you go back to some of my earlier videos, you can see like my walls are yellow. I've talked about some of the upgrades I've done in here just to make the place better. It's like kind of one of those rooms that I wish was better, and it's slowly getting there. But this product, the Nomad, is something that can definitely make your garage better and more functional and just kind of clean it up a little bit. So let me snap back here. I have a unboxing of the Nomad here. I want to show you that, so here you go. How's it going? This is JT at Rubber City Motoring. Wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Nomad Base Station. This kind of caught my eye because I don't have anywhere in the garage that is like a permanent setup to charge my phone and store my watch. I try to take my watch off when I work on the car to not damage it. I thought this would be a neat little solution to have on the workbench and also just kind of look nice while doing it. So what I'm going to do here is open this up for you. Now I'm going to do a full review on this. It'll charge your phone, your AirPods, your watch. It's got everything in here, but I'm going to do a full review after it's all set up and everything. But I wanted to show you what this looks like inside if you're kind of sort of looking to get one. Okay, let's get the big guy out here. So that is the Nomad itself. It's got a nice leather top right there, sort of to, I don't know, look nice. It feels pretty tough and sturdy. This is your Apple Watch charger there. So if you compare it, that is a iPhone XR or 10R, whatever you want to call it, for size comparison. There's actually 3 charging coils inside here. They give you a port to plug it in right there, some rubber on the bottom to hold it together. Let's see what else we got here. Large charging cord, looks pretty long, which is nice. Some of these things, you get these wireless charging cables, they only have like 2 feet of cord with them, which works for nobody. We got that going on there. Got some international adapters, if that's your thing. You travel with this, I guess. So, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I see myself using none of these at the moment. Those can go in there and store in there, and then you plug this guy in, and that's what you do. That's it. So, unboxing of the Nomad Base Station with the Apple Watch add-on charger there on the back. We'll kind of get it all set up in the garage and give it a little go and then give you my full take on it. But very nice piece, though. It's nice and solid and good stuff. So as you can see, it's a pretty neat little unit. It's kind of something that you can use a number of places. Obviously the garage is not somewhere that I'd say most people think of first, but I don't necessarily always have my phone in my pocket. I don't have my Apple Watch on when I'm working under the hood. I don't want to ruin my stuff. So it's nice to sort of have a place that'll hold it and also not necessarily, just have it be useless sitting there. So you can technically charge it the whole time while you're working. I did want to show this. This has kind of been my old method here. Just an old lightning cable, which, I mean, hanging on the workbench, it's, just there, it works, but man, it gets so gross and it's just ugly laying there if you care about that sort of thing. This sort of fixes that. So when I'm working on the car, I can just set my iPhone right there, and there it goes. It is charging right up, doing its job, and it just does it right there. It's perfect. Now, as I kind of showed before, this whole base is made of what they call aircraft grade aluminum. It's matte black. This is a leather topper here, which isn't absolutely ideal for the garage, but I mean, you're not necessarily throwing tools back here or anything like that. The bottom does have rubber feet on it, so it's kind of grippy right there. And it does have the integrated built-in watch charger, which is pretty slick. You don't have to buy an extra charger. And if you have one of these Apple Watches, you kind of know that they you're supposed to charge it every day. But if you're working in the garage and you don't necessarily want to get beat up, you can just put it right here, and then there it goes. It just starts charging right on there. And at the same time, you can charge your phone. So it does it both items at the same time. Let me kind of scooch this up here so you can see a little bit. There we go. It does allow a third charge method here, which I found a little bit trickier. You had to line it up just right to get that going on this angle, but they allow it so you can do your AirPods as well. I don't have wireless AirPods, I just have the standard, but that pretty much does it right there, my two items. It does do 7.5 watt fast wireless charging. It does have also a light sensor on the front, so it basically makes it so your LEDs there, the lights are on the front, the LEDs are right there, and it tells you, basically it'll dim them automatically if it's dark in the room, which doesn't really matter in the garage, but it's a slick product overall. I really think it's something that would be super unique for your setup, definitely. So if you're interested in the Nomad Base Station, this is the Apple Watch version. They have a simpler, cheaper one. It's about $40 cheaper. It's just the lower part. It doesn't have your Apple Watch charger on it. What you can do though is I opted for this one just because I want to charge my watch while it's sitting here. $139 for this unit right here. HelloNomad.com is where you pick it up. I'll put a link below if you're interested. I get it's kind of pricey. I get that it's almost too nice for your garage. But if you're one of those people that has a nice garage, I mean, mine I feel like is slowly getting there as I have free time. It fits the bill. It's not a white charger. Like, granted, AirPower is now dead. You can't get it ever from Apple. But at the same time, I mean, this isn't going to, get greasy as you randomly grab your phone from it. If you do set something near it, it's not going to necessarily look ugly after a while, like I showed you with my white cord. These things just get so gross in the garage. So check them out. Nomad is the company. It works with anything pretty much wireless. Obviously, this is meant for the Apple Watch, but if you got the standard base, you could charge pretty much any wireless device on there. So pretty slick product. It is interesting too, they show sort of an overhead view. There are 3 coils built into there for wireless charging, which is nice if you have the multiple devices. So, alright, that's going to do it on the Nomad Base Station for Apple Watch. Check them out, link is below like I said. Give them a shout if you're interested in charging needs. Now granted, this is not limited to your garage. This can sit in your living room, your bedroom, your desk at work, or anywhere. But like I said, I'm going to utilize it in the garage here, mostly because it's going to keep me kind of, we'll say, disciplined on putting my watch up and getting it not scratched, keeping everything nice, and then it'll just kind of charge everything as I do different things. So, all right, thanks for watching. See you next time. More to come, definitely. RubberCityMotoring.com. Check it out. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and like the video. Give me a comment if you are interested in one of these or you are thinking about it. So, talk to you next time. Bye.